How's it going, guys? It's Cody Crease back for another YouTube video, and we are under another severe thunderstorm watch right now, which is a good thing because I love storms and I want to be a storm chaser when I grow up. So for me, this is an absolutely great thing that we see. Well, I guess we're seeing thunderstorms early in the season, because usually a thunderstorm season doesn't start until like March or April, and I guess, well, for the first time in a long ass time, I guess we're seeing these thunderstorms quickly. And I am at a bowling alley right now, but I am heading home soon. Like, I'm gonna drive this car back to my house in a bit. I just wanted to stay here and film because I'm gonna be going live on other devices when I get home. So yeah. And to be honest, to the last time I videotaped, it snowed the next day. It was like, okay, right now it's 60 degrees. And the last time we had a thunderstorm, which was 2 days ago, it snowed. And also, right now it got back up to 60 degrees. So yeah, we're gonna see another round, and it's supposed to snow again tomorrow, which is kind of cool in a way.